Hey guys, today we are going to do a comparison video of the 21 PSI Ktuner map and the factory tune. So I'm going to take this out on the highway, do probably a third gear pull and second and third gear pull on the 21 PSI tune and the factory tune. Alright, so we're going to start off with the 21 PSI tune, and I'm going to try to do second gear roll, so second and third. Maybe we'll start at like 2000 RPM, shift to the second, and now I'll bring it up to 25 and roll into it. So that is the 21 PSI tune, and I will get a third gear roll as well from like 2500 to redline. Alright, we'll slow down to third gear, 2500 RPMs, and we'll roll into it. Alright, so we just did second and third and a third gear roll on the 21 PSI map. Most I've seen at a knock control is 0.52 on 91 pump gas in Canada, which isn't good quality gas. It's probably equivalent to California 91. And now I am going to flash the car to the factory tune. I'm going to go to the same location. I'm going to do second and third in the same spot. I'm going to do the third gear roll in the same spot, just to get the best comparison that I can do just on the street. So you can see here I'm connected to tuner view. I am going to go down to menu. I am going to go to flash factory, and yes, I want to flash this tune. Alright, we are back to the factory tune. Here we go, stock tune, bring it to 2500, roll into it. So that stock, that felt significantly slower, for sure. So hopefully you guys can take a look at that video and the clip earlier of that 2.3 on 21 pounds and see that there's quite a difference. Once I get up here, we will do, once we get in the same spot as the last time, we're going to do a third gear roll. So we'll cut to that in a second. Alright guys, this is going to wrap up our comparison video of the factory ECU tune and the Ktuner 21 PSI base map. I don't recommend going anything over 21 PSI. I had severe slip on 23, and even in Ktuner's notes, it recommends a clutch for the 22, 23 PSI maps. So my suggestion is to stick to 21 or less. So hopefully this video helps someone decide whether they want to tune their car or not, or it lets you see the difference between the factory map and the way I think the car should have came from the factory with this 21 PSI Ktuner map. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll get back to them. And if there's any other videos you want to see, if it's more stuff like this or anything on Ktuner, the software, tuner view, vehicle features, anything, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to get to it. Thanks, guys.